Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
When they first told me that Brian was shooting it, I thought there was कोई और बंदा होगा Brian Adams नाम का, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? That somebody so talented as a musician and as a photographer. But then I found out that he's done a lot of other campaigns for guests. One of the most recent few iconic campaigns that he's done, and they showed me the pictures that he's done, and I was like, yeah, of course, then we should definitely go with him. And Brian knew of me, and I of course knew of Brian because he comes to India so often कि वो तो अभी half Indian ही है. He can talk in Hindi, he can walk like Indian. He's full Devi, but only I'm in all guests. It's one of my favorite T-shirts actually. Better loved than lost.
Yes.
लेकिन मैंने तो पेपर में पढ़ा पहली बार, but it would be a huge honor if I ever worked with him. अब बहुत 2-3 महीने का रियाज करना पड़ेगा उनके साथ गाने के लिए, लेकिन अभी तक तो बात नहीं हुई है मेरी officially बात नहीं हुई है उनसे. It was great fun. I mean, we ended up becoming friends, and we chat about what is the response to the pictures, and it's been phenomenal so far. And he's a really cool guy. I mean, he was so talented, and he loves India and everything about India, and can speak. Obviously, promotional strategy hai. Title role Gunde hai, and the boys play Gundes, which is why the introduction for them was what was important. ये teaser है. अभी theatrical में बाकी सारे characters, मैं इरफान and of course with the boys, आपको film के बारे में पता चलेगा. That was me waiting for him to take me out on a date. That was me dreaming about him. That was him telling a joke and me laughing. That was when I'm having dinner with him and he pops a ring. एक first of all तो महिला होने के नाते harassment हर लड़की की जिंदगी में कभी ना कभी हुआ है. उसको आप जितना भी कह लें, वो किसी तरह का भी ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट हो या कुछ ऐसा, बट हरासमेंट हर तरीके से हुआ है. क्योंकि और स्पेशली एंड आई फील वेरी स्ट्रांगली अबाउट दिस, क्योंकि स्पेशली हमारे देश में जो अपब्रिंगिंग रही है लड़कियों के व्हेन इट कम्स टू गर्ल्स की जब बेटा वंश को आगे लेकर जाता है और लड़की की अहमियत उतनी नहीं होती, उसको स्कूल भेजने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती वगैरह वगैरह.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.